Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiya, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today, I am going to take Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 8. And our today's topic is Chapter 11 and CQ 3-4. This is our extra CQ and CQ number is 3-4. Look, dear students, our lecture number is 23 and our SW number is 21. So, dear students, now we will start our today's topic. Look at the board. At first, we will read the stem number 3, creative question number 3. And the stem is Mrs. Farida visited Patuakhali to collect inform for a research work. There she met some people from minority group who made their houses on macha on the bamboo pillars. She went to Rangamati and talked to the people of another minority ethnic group who celebrate Panikhela or water festival. Okay, look dear students, our first question is what from this stem? Number 1, number A, what is jam? What is jum? Okay. Look, our second question is what is the name of favorite food of Garo? Explain. Number C, which ethnic minority group that has been observed by Mrs. Farida at first? Explain. Number D, the cultural life of minority ethnic group which has observed by Mr. Farida at last is full of variety and analyze. Okay, now dear students, we will read these questions answer. Okay. Look, our first question is what is jum? And the answer is, look here, the cultivation process of chakma is called jum. So what is jum? The cultivation process of chakma is called jum. Our next question is, what is the name of favorite food of Garo? Explain. Look, number B, the Garo eat fish and vegetables with rice. But the bottom part of little bamboo is one of their favorite foods. Its popular name is mewa. Look, our next question is which ethnic minority group that has been observed by Mrs. Farida at first? Explain. Number C. Look, the answer is in this step Mrs. Farida observed the Rakhine community at first. The Rakhine live in the districts of Patuakhali, Borguna and Cox's Bazar of Bangladesh. Look, anthropologically, the Rakhines are Mongolian. Their face is round, color of the skin is fair and the hair is straight. The word Rakhine is derived from Pali language. So, the word Rakhine is derived from which language? Pali language. Then, its meaning is conservative nation. So, what is its meaning? Its meaning is conservative nation. The original abode of Rakhine is Arakan region of the present Myanmar. The Rakhine once come to this country from Arakan. They like to identify themselves as Rakhine. Look, dear students, our last question is the cultural life of minority ethnic group which has observed by Mr. Farida at last, Mrs. Farida at last is full of variety analysis. Okay, its answer is, dear students, look, number D. In the second part of the step, Mrs. Farida observed the Marma community. This community is full of varieties. Among the minority ethnic groups living in hill-tract regions of Bangladesh, the Marmas are second in number of population. The Marmas live in Rangamati, Bandarban and Khagrachari districts. The word Marma comes from the word Mraima. Okay. Then in the hill tracts, the chief of Marma society at Bomang circle is Bomang chief or Bomang king. There are some villages at every mountain. The villagers select the chief of the village. The Marma call the village Ruya and the chief of the village Ruaja in their local language. That in a Marma family, the mother plays a significant role in family functions, although the father is at the top. The opinion of the female members gets due to consideration. in the affair of taking any family decision in a Marma family. Okay, dear students, now we will read our next stem, that means stem number 4, and here we can find a table where we can find that minority ethnic groups in a column, and in another column we can find its feature. Okay, A column we can find Mandi, Sangsharek, Wangala, and in B column we can find that Mraima, Buddhist and Panikhela. Okay, now the question is, what does Rakhine mean? Or B question is, why Bangladesh is called a country of multicultural? Our C question is, explain the social life of the minority ethnic group of people which indicated by A. And our D question is what? Make a comparative study on the cultural life of the minority groups of A and B of the chart. So dear students, now we will learn about this question's answer. The first one is, what does Rakhine mean? Look, what does Rakhine mean? Rakhine means conservative nation who always try to protect their identity, culture and religious rituals. Okay, so Rakhine means what? Rakhine means conservative nation who always try to protect their identity, culture and religious rituals. Our B question is what? Why Bangladesh is called a country of multicultural? Our B question is question's answer is, the minority ethnic people of Bangladesh have been living with Bengalis in this land for a long time. As a result, interdependence among the people has increased. This has made Bangladesh a country of multicultural. So, this has made Bangladesh what? A country of multicultural. Okay, our next question number C. Explain the social life of the minority ethnic group of people which indicated by A. Look, the question's answer is, the ethnic group indicated by A is Garo. So here we can find that the indicated group is what? Which group? Garo. The social life of Garo is discussed below. The Garo live in a matriarchal family. Okay, so the Garo live in a matriarchal family. Mother is the head of the family in their society. So we can find that in their society, mother is the head. The offspring takes the title of their mother. The youngest daughter of the family is the heir of all properties. So here we can find that the youngest daughter of the family is the heir of all properties. Father discharged the duty of managing the family in Garo society. The name of the primitive religion of the Garo was Sangsharek. In the past, the Garos worshipped different gods. So here we can find that in the past they worship to different gods. Their greatest festival is Wangala. They speak in Mandi language. Okay, dear students, our last question is, make a comparative study on the cultural life of the minority groups of A and B of the chart. So the question's answer is, there are cultural differences between the ethnic group of A and B. The ethnic group present by A is Garo. The name of the traditional dress of the Garo males is Gandu. The Garo eat fish and vegetables with rice. The bamboo shoot is one of their favorite foods. Their social festivals are agriculture based. Their greatest festival is Wangala. The language of Bangladeshi Garos is Achik Kushi. And the Garos build their houses on land with tree, bamboo and straw. On the other hand, the ethnic group indicated by B is Marma. The Marma build their houses at the height of 6 to 7 feet from the ground on some pillars with bamboo, wood and straw. The Marma males wear what? Gabang, a shirt and lungi. Marma women are very skilled in weaving cloths. So here we can find that Marma women are very skilled in weaving cloths. The Marmas eat fish, meat and vegetables with rice. On Sangrai occasion, the Marmas actively take part in Panikhela or water festival. Okay, this festival is celebrated with much joy and pleasure in the middle of April at Bandarban and Rangamati. So here we can find the questions answer. What? Make a comparative study on the cultural life of the minority groups of A and B of the chart. So this is our questions answer. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing this at your home. And our today's SW work is creative question 3C nong. Okay. Creative question 3C nong you have to do as your SW work and submit it on next Sunday. Okay dear students, keep practicing this at your home and abide by your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.